Best erection oil. Problems in bedroom relationship. Having trouble with your sex life? Are you facing a tremendous interruption in your love life due to sex-related problems? If yes, then must watch this video till the end and fix intimacy issues quickly. In this video, you will know, impotence causes erection oil.
Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any all-natural health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Male impotence causes. The impotence is common to find with the aged men. It is normal when a man reaches above the 70s can find ED problems. Yet, in the present, the modern world, ED is affecting many men in between 20s to 50s due to modern lifestyle, obesity, and bad eating habits. The ED is a state of male disorder, where he cannot stay hard longer. Get rock-hard erection. Well, in that case, herbal male sexual enhancement oil is unbeatable. Overnight oil is a unique herbal male sexual enhancement oil that is highly useful in correcting weak erection or erectile dysfunction. If sluggish blood circulation is the main trouble for your erection, then you are highly recommended to use overnight herbal massaging oil regularly without any fail for getting quick results with great effectiveness and satisfaction. Overnight oil is made up of herbal ingredients which are safe and natural. Overnight herbal topical erection oil strengthens the nerves of your genital organ, as a result of which your erection can be improved, and only improved erections can help you to gain optimum satisfaction and pleasure during lovemaking. Benefits of overnight oil. Long-lasting, stronger and fuller erections can be gained from overnight oil. The erection size can be increased to a satisfactory length using regular massaging. You can easily get increased stimulations and sensations by using overnight herbal oil. Overnight herbal male sexual enhancement oil is highly useful in repairing damaged veins due to overmasturbation. Your lovemaking performance can be increased to a great extent and your partner will get complete satisfaction. Erectile capacity and sexual function can be boosted up with the repeated usage of overnight herbal oil. Ejaculatory pressure can be effectively increased using overcoming premature ejaculation. If you want to know how to get overnight oil discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Herbs to get hard on fast. Overnight herbal topical erection oil is mainly composed of some rarest herbal ingredients like kesar, jaifal, beer booty, javatree, lavang and ghee. All these ingredients are mixed up in a proper proportion for creating overnight oil, which highly contributes to catering genital strength. The erection quality can also be improved by overnight herbal oil, which ultimately results in internal tissue enlargement. Corpus cavernosum can be highly diluted for accommodating free circulation of blood and stronger erections. Overnight herbal male sexual enhancement oil has been formulated in a specialized manner as it helps in controlling ejaculation for a longer period. The erectile tissue can be fully opened and repaired effectively so that you can enjoy harder erections and long-time ejaculations simultaneously. This product is quite hygienic and safe and thus can be used by men of any age without any fear of side effect. How to use overnight oil. Take around 8 to 10 drops of overnight oil in hand and gently massage the male organ with it. Apply this oil in the morning and evening with clean hands and before lovemaking for effective results. World's finest topical erection oil.
100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy overnight oil from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.